Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing this vacuum called the Bissell Part Force Model 1739. I first got this vacuum since of June 30th, 2017. It's a really a good vacuum. Plus it does have like a knob here for cleaning up any form of carpets or floors like tile or wet floor. Yep, let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, before I do any vacuuming on Wednesday, before I do any vacuuming on Wednesday, I must check the cord and make sure it's okay. It seems to be rather a decent cord, so it allows me to vacuum on Wednesday. I might be doing a demo on Wednesday because I'm doing like a surprise video for tomorrow. I'll be showing my Bohemian Rhapsody CD soundtrack. Yeah. This particular vacuum, it does come with the yeah. This particular vacuum, it does come with the yeah. Actually, this particular vacuum, it does come with a hose. It's like attached, so it'll be easy to do attachment use. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh yeah. It does come with the duster upholstery, a duster nozzle, so I could clean like curtains with. I could easily do that on a separate video. Yeah. The equipment, yeah. Well, a funny story about this particular attachment is like a long crevice tool where I can get my baseboards or spaces between furniture with. Yep. This attachment can be attached to the extension one, and after the baseboards are completely clean, it snaps on right here. Let's see. Yep. It does come with the Febreze vacuum bag, since it does have a hard case to protect the bag. It can be used to clean stairs with because it has like a carrying handle to clean stairs, or use it as a upstairs or downstairs vacuum. I'm guessing the handle is like plastic, and yeah. I'm guessing the handle on this vacuum is rather plasticky. Yeah, so it can be easy. I'm guessing it can be like easy to move around with, and plus I do like clean up my bedroom with this vacuum, since my bedroom does have medium carpet, so I leave it on this setting, setting 3 for that purpose. It can do shag carpets very well, since it does high carpets. And let's see it. Probably when cleaning up something like tile or wood floor, I probably recommend using like the bare floor setting. Yeah. let's take a look at the let's just take a look at the inside of the vacuum. Actually, it does come with the rotating agitator, so it can beats as it sweeps, as it cleans action. And just in case this video was very long, I'm gonna make it call it quits, and I'll see you for the next two videos for Tuesday and Wednesday. See ya.